Welcome to my presentation. My name is Teshome. I'm from Ethiopia and the Civil Engineering Department of Tech. The title of my project is Evaluation of Flexural Strengths of Bamboo Reinforced Concrete Beams. Introductory part of my project is declared that the mechanical properties of bamboo and it is available in developing regions have led to this empirical use as reinforcement in concrete structures. And due to highly increasing cost of steel bars and bamboo being a sustainable alternative to steel, and reinforced concrete structures are being both interest in studies and use like bamboo. There are three objectives under my thesis or my project work. The first one is to evaluate tensile strengths of bamboo splints. The second one is to compare flexural strength capacity of bamboo reinforced beam against steel reinforcement beam, and as a comparison portion. The last one is to analyze the effect of chemical treatment in bamboo flexural strength capacity in concrete beam. Review of literature. Another chapter, second chapter. Here are the latest reviews which are already been discussed and used for my project works. The first one is SM Dewi 2017 has used bamboo concrete composite for roof frame structure. The loading test of the frame shows that the failure occurs in the joints of the truss and cracks of concrete in tension bars. Another one is Try and Minai 2014, and this declared that, and it used 12, 25 and 450 centimeter cube volumetric beam with a varying shear span and a shear reinforcement. The maximum combined tensile stress reinforcement was 60 to 70 megapascal. Gravine 2013 tested 12 cm by 30 cm and 300 cm length beams with the three types of reinforcement. The steel reinforcing ratio of 0.78%, bamboo is 3.33% reinforcing bamboo, and the bamboo is 5% reinforcing ratio. In current cases, treated bamboo with coil tar creosote chemical has been used as a reinforcement in M20 cement concrete for 1 meter length beam so as to test and compare its flexural strength performance against the combined dimension plane and the strength plane cement concrete beams. 2.2 Treatment of bamboo. The structure of the bamboo column and its component elements has a strong bearing on the techniques and the methodology of treating bamboo. Treatment is intended to extend durability, arrest and degradation, preserve dimensional stability and retain strength. And the last one is impart properties like fire resistance, luster and etc. It is already listed under DAF 2017 document. And improved durability of bamboo. Bamboo durability heavily depends on preservation treatment. There are so many mechanisms for the preservation of bamboo to be used for the reinforcement and other purposes and construction. The first one is smoking, heating, drying, coating with limestone, and the main one that has already been recently used in many areas in the world, the chemical treatment. But in the current project or thesis work, I already worked on coil tar and creosote, which is new and which already been worked for other woody materials like timber, but I already used for bamboo to treat and make it strong enough mechanically. The mechanical purpose of bamboo and the flexural strength is using the Poisson's coefficient of 0.3 and the modulus of this. Modulus is equal to 17,000 megapascal, and DAF 2017 declared in this document, and Johnson 2013 said ultimate bending stress of 62 megapascal estimated. The tensile strength of bamboo is quite high, and this is about 140 to 230 megapascal, as LaRocque said, and Sevilla K 2017 declared. The meso bamboo is the best bamboo, having ultimate strength tensile strength of 230 megapascal. Methodology of my project works and the project phase 1 and project phase 2 are the following, and which is already declared in chart. The first one is initially already start from collecting and review of literatures. The second, collecting available bamboo specimen and test the tensile strength test. The third step was the reinforcing bamboo sticks and concrete beam, casting beam, steel and bamboo reinforcing beams, and the testing. Then after compare the flexural strength performance of the three beams, and finally I documented this. I've already documented the results, findings, and discussion, and the recommendation, as well as conclusion parts in documentation. Types of tests that are being used are the tensile strength test and the flexural test by using UTM machine and the loading frame. Results and the discussion portion of chapter 4. Initially, tensile strength test has been done on UTM machine for both untreated and the treated bamboo samples. The average thickness or diameter of bamboo, untreated and treated bamboo have been used for the tensile strength of 8 cm or 80 mm sized bamboo. And here are the results for the untreated as well as treated bamboo specimen. For 4 specimen, 01 to 04 specimen, average tensile strength for untreated bamboo is 134 megapascal, and for that of treated bamboo spills is 194. This is 44.77 increase in percentage of mechanical strength. Concrete mix proportion. Water cement ratio plays an important role in strength and durability of reinforcing concrete. The absorption of water causes swelling of bamboo. Thus, we have to take care of that parameter. And 4.3 concrete mix design for MB20 concrete. I already used MB20 cement concrete for the 3 beams, and here are the results used. Cement 35.91 kg, sand or fine aggregate 136.32 kg, and coarse aggregate to 206.32 kg. The preparation of bamboo specimen already declared in figure. Preparation of bamboo specimen already cut and delivered to the site, then treated with the coiltal chemical, and it's already been tinted by laser chemical. The ways how to prepare the bamboo ready. The flexural test result from the experiment already found this result. That's finally 11.5, 17K, and 22.5 respectively, and a 31% increase than equivalent weighted steel reinforced cement when we compare coil tar reinforced bamboo with coil tar treated reinforced bamboo, and 95% increment in flexural strength performance and equally dimension plain beam. Conclusion and recommendation. The chapter 5, bamboo has to be drained off before use, and it's advisable to treat bamboo so as to use it as alternative reinforcement. Recommendation: study on chemicals mode may give better result in strength, thus we have to use other chemical and tool as alternative for better mechanical strengths to be used for structural components or beam and as well as other structural components. Treatment is compulsory for bamboo splints so as to be used as an alternative reinforcement in place of steel. It is recommended to put bamboo member drain up before using it. References are this from 2011 to 2017. Very recent documents or literature has already been posted in this slide. Thank you for your attention for my video. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention. Stay blessed. Goodbye.